Welcome to Real Talk. I'm Faisal Karmali. Today we have Connor Curran. Connor is the founder of Local Laundry. And here's Connor's top 3 business tips for you.
If you want to start a business, stop talking about it and just do it. Don't write a business plan. Don't come up with a perfect product. That first product version of it that you launch should be the ugliest. You should be embarrassed to put it out there, right? Because you're going to get great feedback, right? Yeah. You might think you have a great idea. Your mom might tell you might have a great idea. Your buddies. The only way you know you have a good idea is when the market is buying. The market will tell you if you have a great idea or not. So don't be afraid. Stop talking about it and just get it out there and adjust on the fly. Okay. The second piece that I kind of brought up is, how do you build a following? How do you build a community? One engaged person at a time. Treat every interaction with another human being as if they're the most important human being ever. And I think this is a good thing, not just for business, but in our personal lives. We all have such busy lives, and I think the one thing that this pandemic has really shown us is the value of human relationships. Mm-hmm. And then my third piece of advice, which was very difficult for me and which we never really touched upon, is measure what matters. Like, really understand that your numbers as a business owner, right? And that's something that I always kind of struggle with, and something that my business partner is really good with. If you're not making money, if you're not bringing cash in, like, you're not a business. Like, you're not gonna be in business for a long time. You have to understand your profit margin. You have to understand, if you're an online store, understand your conversion rate. Figure out the metrics that you need to know and measure them properly. All these things about talking about community and relationships, all these fluffy pieces, that's the fun, exciting part. Yeah. It's the sexy part of business. When it comes down to brass taxes and, how much GST do we have to remit this quarter? Yeah. That's not fun. That's not sexy. No one wants to do that stuff, but you have to. And if you keep pushing it away, you're going to have issues, right?
It'll catch up to you.
It will. So you have to face that head on. Do not be afraid to understand those numbers. You absolutely have to, and it's vital.
For more tips, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.